Good morning students. We study topic instruction set and programming of 8085 microprocessor unit addressing mode today. First we study what do you mean by addressing mode or what is addressing mode. The addressing mode is format specifier of operand. Why it is called as format as a specifier of operand? Because addressing mode describes how operands are specified within instruction. What I can tell, addressing mode specified how operands are used within instruction. That means it describes operand type used within instruction. According to specification of operand, the addressing modes are 5 types. First is called as register addressing mode. Second is called as immediate addressing mode. Third is called as implicit addressing mode. Fourth is called as direct addressing mode, and last is called as register indirect addressing mode. As listed here, the 5 type of addressing mode. First, register addressing mode. Second, immediate addressing mode. Third, implicit addressing mode. Fourth, direct addressing mode. Fifth, register indirect addressing mode. One by one I tell you. First, I describe what is register addressing mode. The register addressing mode name suggested that the operands used within instruction both are general purpose register. I here explain that both are. That means the source and destination places 8-bit register is used, and that register are general purpose register. Here I tell that which type of general purpose register. There are these type of general purpose register: register A, register B, register C, register D, register E, register H, and register L. There are these type of 7 type of general purpose register are used in register addressing mode. At any one register, at source place, any one register is used from this register, and at destination location, any one register are used. Next addressing mode. The next addressing mode is immediate addressing mode. The immediate addressing mode, the operands are used such as immediate data, and that immediate data is either 8-bit immediate data or either 16-bit immediate data. That is, any one immediate data is used either 8-bit or either 16-bit. What 8-bit immediate data? In hexadecimal number system, 00H2FFH, that means 2 hexa digit. 00H2FFH, that means 0001, 02, 03 up to FFH, is called as 8-bit immediate data. And what is 16-bit immediate data? The 4 hexadecimal digit, such as 0000H, these are 4 hexadigit, 2 00 FFH. is called as 16-bit immediate data. Either 8-bit data or either 16-bit data as one operand usually in immediate addressing mode. But these 8-bit immediate data or 16-bit immediate data are usually in an immediate addressing mode as intermediate register. Are used as intermediate register. Here I stated example such like this. The 8-bit immediate data used here as one operand and intermediate register is general purpose A register. Similarly, here 16-bit immediate data is used as one operand and intermediate register pair is used as HL. Thus, 8-bit immediate data and 16-bit immediate data are used in immediate addressing mode as one operand. Then next addressing mode is implicit addressing mode. The implicit addressing mode, also known as inherent addressing mode or implied addressing mode. The implicit, inherent or implied addressing mode, the name suggests that the operands are totally absent. That means only opcode is specified. The operand is absent. Such as example I like stated this here, CMA. That means only opcode is used, operand is absent. So it is known as implicit addressing mode. Then next addressing mode is direct addressing mode. The direct addressing mode name suggested that the 8-bit immediate data or 16-bit immediate data, the 8-bit immediate data or 16-bit immediate data. Last I explained what is 8-bit immediate data and 16-bit immediate data. That immediate data are specified immediately after the opcode. That means no intermediate register are used here. No intermediate register are used here. In example, I state that here LDA is opcode. This is called as opcode and 16-bit data. In direct addressing mode, 8-bit data or 16-bit data is used immediately after the opcode. That is here no intermediate register are in between this opcode and immediate data. Then such thing is called as a direct addressing mode. Then next addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode. The register addressing mode and register indirect addressing mode. There are two different things. This register. Here general purpose register and here register pair. In 8085 microprocessor, the three valid register pair are used here. The valid register pair are BC register pair or D register pair or HL register pair. And one invalid register pair is SP stack pointer is invalid register pair. And only high order register is stated within instruction. That means the register indirect addressing mode describes that the one operand is stated as a register pair. What I can say in register indirect addressing mode, one operand is register pair. One operand is a register pair. That means it state register pair. And its address is as a memory location. That means register pair address is point to memory location. Here I state example as like this. Here X register pair and B is used that BC register pair. I tell here that register indirect addressing mode which one operand is register pair, that is here BC register pair is used which point to its own memory location. Similarly, whenever I use it as like this, here DE register pair used. Similarly, it cannot be used. HL register pair cannot be used here with any instruction. Only BC and DE pairs are valid for this LDA instruction. In next video, I explain the instruction set. Thus, we studied here 5 type of addressing mode. I revise this in rapid motion. Register addressing mode, operand, source and destination location is 8-bit general purpose register, that is one register is used. A, B, C, D, E, H or L. Immediate addressing mode, 8-bit 16-bit data is used. Intermediate register within opcode and immediate data. Implicit operand is absent. Direct 8-bit data or 16-bit data is used immediately after the opcode, that is no intermediate register is used. And register indirect, here stated that operand is register pair which point to its own memory location. Here we will stop, and next video I have give some step about the addressing mode, how addressing mode is specified for that instruction.